Isa lang ang kandidato na may resume na naging SK Kagawad, Barangay Kagawad, Konsehal ng Bayan, Vice Mayor at Congressman. 33 years of legislative experience, legislatura. Ang trabaho po ng senador ay paggawa ng batas. Hindi man ako sikat, pero yung resume ko, karapat-dapat pagpilian ng sambayan ng Pilipinas.
Sir, should you win a
Kung
seat
nandito
doon
na
sa Senate, no? Ano po bang mga programa at advokasya na ipupush nyo? Kasi yun nga po, paulit-ulit yung binibida ang inyong resume and you do have something to show for it.
Well, una, syempre, kung ano yung nagawa ko sa lungsod ng Valenzuela. People have known me as an advocate of youth and sports development. And my projects in this District 2 of Valenzuela would show it. So we'll take it to the next level by doing something in the development of sports. Kasi nung nasa kongreso ako noon, I was the chairman of the Committee on Youth and Sports during my second term. And we were able to do a lot of things. Nag-champion tayo sa Southeast Asian Games noon. We won the first Olympic gold with Heidelin Diaz. And of course, the National Academy for Sports na naging batas. Isa ako sa nag-shepherd noon. That's the training center of all our potential athletes dun sa Clark City. So, what I have done in Congress and what I've done in the City of Valenzuela, dadalhin natin sa Senado. And of course, nitong last term ko, naging vice chair din ako ng Committee on Appropriations handling DOTR, transportation. So, part of my agenda when I get to the Senate is to file a bill creating mass transport system. We have to expand the Metro Manila subway system by creating a law, an enabling law that will continue. It's a looking forward law, hindi yung ngayon lang, tas matitigil pagdating nung susunod na presidente. Dapat may batas na naglalayon dito para mag-iba man ang administrasyon, tuloy ang subway sa Metro Manila, tuloy ang railway system from Ilocos Norte down to Bicol region in the next 20 years. Magkaroon ng railway system ang Cebu by creating the Metro Cebu Railway System sa pamamagitan ng isang batas. Magkaroon na talaga ng Mindanao Railway System by creating a law, creating the Metro Mindanao Railway System. Because what will fuel the momentum of growth of this country in the next 20 years is mass transport system and railways will lead the way.
Bakit po kayo nararapat iboto ng mga Pilipino sa bilang Pilipino 2025 bilang senador?
41 is the only one. Iba naman, bago naman. You need a breath of fresh air. I told you, ako lang ang kandidatong naging SK Kagawad, Barangay Kagawad, Konsehal ng Bayan, Vice Mayor at Congressman. Ang trabaho ng senador, gumawa ng batas. Alam ko gumawa ng batas. I know how to get there. Bansang Pilipinas, hindi man sikat, pero may resume na karapat-dapat yung pag-isipan. Eric Martinez, number 41.